Today, you will learn to automate your marketing reports on Google Looker Studio, and I will make a bold promise. You are going to become an expert on Google Looker Studio. You will see that in a matter of hours, you will learn a new skill that will work forever for your career, that will increase your revenue, that will increase your company's revenue, that will give you a new way of thinking of marketing through data, and that will save you a lot of time. What makes this course special is that you won't only learn Google Looker Studio, you will learn to win with your marketing data. I am Juan, founder of Potter, and I happen to be a marketer who also loves this stuff about data and automation. And I will tell you some of the benefits of data reporting. First, the one that you already know, which is making data-driven decisions. You already know this. We can go beyond this. You will learn to tell stories with your data because remember, your presentations, your reports, your dashboards are a mean to persuade and influence your clients if you're an agency or your team if you are a company. You will enable a culture of transparency because everyone will know what is actually happening in the company because they have the metrics available. Accountability, because you can assign specific metrics and KPIs and OKRs to specific individuals or teams. And experimentation, because let's face it, marketing is hard. Marketing is mostly smiling while you don't know what you are doing, but at least you try. But at least you can validate and test because you have your metrics available. Also, the most time-consuming task for marketers is copying and pasting data in Google Sheets so they can analyze it, and you will automate this task to save time every week. Also, you will learn to play differently because let's face it, most marketers won't learn this. They will say, this is boring, this is hard, this is for analysts, this is for engineers, I am a social media guy and I don't need to, whatever. Every marketer should learn data analysis and reporting in general. And you will gain a new competitive advantage if I ask you what makes you special against large competitors. There is only one answer. They have the money, they have the talent, they have the resources. But you can move faster, and you can move faster because you have the data to make these decisions. Also, you are more likely to reach your goals if you are constantly tracking them on a dashboard. And finally, you will learn this because this is super simple to learn. As I told you, today you will learn to automate your marketing reports on Google Looker Studio. I will see you in the next classes and welcome.